I'm here at Slate District, and you know what? This is one of my favorite restaurants here in Mandaue area. And now I'm gonna run down my top 7 dishes here, my top 7 favorites. Okay, let's start with number 7. So they have pasta here now. So for pasta lovers, especially women, when you have a date with your guy who loves ribs, who loves meat, you can actually have something light like a pasta here, and their pasta al tartuffe is really good. And this is number 6,
Cheese District Burger.
So if you're a burger lover, they have a Cheese District Burger which has mozzarella sticks inside. Wow, it's so beefy, cheesy, and of course the size is so big that it can actually be to share. Number 5,
Barbecue Skewer District.
the Barbecue Skewer District gives you 4 different choices. There are 4 barbecue skewer, chicken satay, pork yakidon, there's a beef tapa, and Hungarian sausage. The serving is so big that it could be good for 3. Number 4,
Slate Truffle Chicken. Halo kay Martin, kang Aldrin, kang Vernon, o kang CJ.
the Jack Slate Truffle Chicken will have 2 kinds of chicken in skewers. They have the one, the truffle chicken, and the other is the garlic parmesan. It's just so awesome, man. So it's like one of my favorites here because, well, the wings are big and it's so flavorful, and the way they season their chicken is really different. Number 3,
Slate Seafood Platter.
so seafood lovers, finally Slate District have seafood items now, like their Slate Seafood Platter, which gives you some scallops, shrimps, and fish. So, you're not into meat, this is the best compromise. You can have their seafood platter and enjoy seafood at its best here at Slate District. Number 2,
Grilled pork belly.
this skewer is made of grilled pork as well as the chorizo. It's like 2 of my top items to grill, which is pork belly and chorizo in one. So I think this is the best seller here. You have to try it. And the number 1 dish here is
Grilled baby back ribs. Ribs.
you love ribs? Oh, they have one below 200 pesos here. Oh, the ribs, it's so big with Java rice. It's perfect with their iced tea. Wow. If I'm hungry on a typical day, probably I'm gonna order this 9 out of 10 times because it's so big, it's so sulit, and it's quite affordable. So thank you so much for watching this video. And by the way, Slate District is celebrating its 1st anniversary this coming May. And you know what? They have an awesome promo, guys. They're selling some of their best sellers for only 99 pesos every Thursdays. For the first 50 customers, you can buy the famous grilled baby back ribs, pork sisig sarap, and the grilled pork steak for only 99 pesos if you are one of the first 50 customers every Thursdays of May. So check it out, and hey, see you at the lines this coming Thursday. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you visit Slate District, and let me know your favorite, guys, by making a comment. And of course, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Click subscribe, click like, and click share if you love this content. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video.